Has your oven gone kaput? It might be time to replace the motherboard. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks, and today I'll show you how. The motherboard is the brain for your oven. Without it, you have a large paperweight in your kitchen. This leaves two options: replace the oven or the motherboard. Age of the oven should be considered for this decision, as both are expensive. The motherboard is roughly a few $100s less, so I went with that option. Let's get started.
Step 1.
Unplug the cord. Before you begin, make sure to unplug the cord from the outlet. Slide the oven out, giving yourself plenty of room to work, and unplug the cord located behind the oven.
Step 2.
Remove the back panel. With easy access to the back of the oven, remove the ton of screws so that the top back panel can be removed.
Step 3.
Remove the connectors. First, take a moment to be amazed at how many colored wires are back there. Do they really need that many? Once you have your bearings, just realize that all you really need to do is simply swap out a few connectors. Your motherboard may look different, but the method is the same. Start by carefully disconnecting the connectors from the motherboard. There should roughly be 6 connections to break for this model.
Step 4.
Remove the motherboard. Now that the connectors are free, remove the 4 Phillips head screws on the corners of the motherboard and remove.
Step 5.
Remove the overlay. Transfer the overlay from your broken motherboard to the new one. This is honestly by far the hardest part of the entire project, but you can do it. Just take your time. Your mission is to carefully remove a flimsy piece of plastic from the strongest glue on earth. With a scraper, simply work your way around the overlay in circles until the overlay can be cautiously peeled off without cracking. With the new motherboard in the correct position, carefully align the overlay onto the motherboard and press into place. Now that the hard part is done, let's wrap this project up.
Step 6.
Install the new motherboard. Insert the new motherboard into place and secure the 4 Phillips head screws into place. Start inserting the connectors into their locations, which should be identical to the locations from the broken motherboard.
Step 7.
Attach the back panel. Once the connectors are snug and back in place, reattach the back panel by securing it with a ton of screws.
Step 8.
Plug in the cord. Plug the cord back into the outlet and slide the oven back in.
Step 9.
Celebrate! Turn your oven on and bam! You got your oven back at a fraction of the price for a new one. I hope this video helped you get back to cooking. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos from Show and Tell.